Okay, I'm going to turn it around. Now it says REC. That means it's going. Now say it one more time. It's me, Bella, recording.
It's me, Bella, recording.
Okay,
The knife is getting messed up, so that's why it's going to be difficult for me to do it.
Okay, do this last one.
Okay, I'm turning around now. Keep your eye on them. Keep your eye on the camera on them.
Be careful, Tess.
Here we go. Yeah, look at them only. And whatever you see in the camera, I'm sorry. Okay. Higher, 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 higher. Like sometimes you gotta go like this.
I'm looking at your ring and jewelry.
I can't see.
Yeah.
I really can't do this.
I know, I'm just going like this right here.
Can you take me for a walk around the block?
Yeah. No, just over here. Film stuff.
Well,
Keep filming.
I see a car.
Coming?
I see a car. Right
Film,
there.
film,
I see a car.
I know, film. This way. Yeah, just look around. I'm gonna get on the sidewalk. What are you taping?
I'm taping. I see a walk.
Sidewalk?
Yeah.
Okay. Why don't you tape everything, like not just the cement but the people?
I see people.
Okay, I'm gonna turn around and then there's people over there. You tape them.
What did you say?
Tape the people in there. You ready?
Finish.
Okay, finished? No, okay. Here we go.
I see people playing. I see a palm tree. I see a little baby palm tree. I see a wagon. I see my pants. I see high heels. I see my sister Tessa. I see our car. I see Grandpa. I see our house. I see a truck. I see a van. I see a bicycle. I see a pumpkin. I see some bushes. I see a
Okay, now we'll put it
tree.
on stop.
My turn.
Sorry about